What does consolidate mean? Consolidate means to combine several things into one stronger or more effective whole. In simple words, consolidate means to bring things together to make them stronger. It is often used in business, finance, and organization. For example, the company decided to consolidate its offices into one main location. This means the company combined several offices into one. Consolidate can also mean strengthening something after success or progress. For example, the team worked hard to consolidate their position in the market. In finance, consolidate can mean combining debts or accounts. For example, he consolidated his loans into one single payment. Here are more example sentences. The government plans to consolidate small schools into one larger school. The company wants to consolidate its market position. They consolidated their resources to complete the project. In simple terms, consolidate means to combine or strengthen by bringing things together. Easy way to remember. Consolidate means combine to make stronger.